So to get started, the first thing you need to do is ask yourself some basic but very important questions. So first question is, why am I going into sewing? Why am I doing dressmaking or fashion design? Why do I want to do this? So could it be that you want to meet a need? Is it out of passion? Is it out of curiosity? Just you want to learn it. You just want to learn the skill for yourself to make yourself look beautiful. These questions are things you have to just really, really think about and ask yourself. The why is very, very important because it always keeps you going when things get tough. Another question you should ask yourself is, will I be sewing for myself or am I commercializing my business? So that would give you a better perspective on, what to do next. So if you're going to be sewing for yourself, you know what to do. Maybe you'll be working from home. If you're going to be commercializing, you have to now think ahead of how to start a business, a fashion business proper. Okay, you need to ask yourself what current skills you possess, okay, or what current skills or skills that you need to possess over time. And I mean, okay, if you're just starting out and you really love fashion design, is it possible that you have skills in sketching or illustration, or you probably have you're trying to transition from a 9 to 5 and you're probably a customer service relations person. You probably have soft skills when it comes to customer service. So you need to put down those skills and understand which you would use or you'll be using for your fashion design business. Okay. Another question is funds. If I'm going to be starting out as a business, how will I get funds? Who can help me raise funds? Where will I ask for funds? You need to think about that. If you're starting out, I would advise that you can get from your savings, try to rally from friends and family. Don't go for a loan yet because you probably haven't figured out what exactly, you're not sure how the business is going to start out. So just try to work with as little as possible, and then you can always upscale or upgrade as you grow. Okay, so friends and family from savings, those kind of funds are perfect for starting out. Another question you should ask yourself is, will I be working from home or will I be working from a rented space? You need to know that as well so that you can know how to cost effectively. If you're going to be working from home, you may not be spending so much on, rent and all of that. So have that at the back of your mind so you know how to plan better. The next question is, do I have mentors that I look up to in the industry? It is so important to have someone that you really, really look up to. Okay, I'll give you an instance. Yeah, if you're someone who's probably going into bridals or you want to start a ready-to-wear line, you should have someone in that space, that niche that you look up to and you love how they, run their businesses. So you can learn from them. You can get their experiences, either personally or from a distance. It doesn't matter. Just get mentors or a mentor to start out. Another question you should ask yourself is, do I have a network of friends who are in the same industry that I intend getting into? My network of friends, are they fashion designers? Are they few? Are they many? You need to have a network of friends in your industry. Now, there's nothing wrong with having network of friends in other industries, probably photography, makeup and all of that. But in your industry, you need people who you can grow with and encourage, because you don't want to be alone. You want to be able to talk to someone who understands your pain and understands how you feel, so you can encourage each other as you grow in your business. So start networking, get friends. Another thing that you should ask yourself is, what kinds of research have I put in? Research is very important. Don't devalue or I cannot overemphasize the importance of research. You need to be very, very knowledgeable about what you're doing and where you're going to, what's happening in your industry on the local dimension, on the national and global dimension as well, so that you can accurately position yourself and your brand to benefit from the knowledge that you already have based on the research that you put in. Go online, ask questions, do all of these things, and then have factual data on what you're about to do so that you will be more prepared. Another question that you should ask yourself is, who can help me get some of the solutions that I seek? Okay? Sometimes we just look down on the people around us, the network of people that we have around us. Please don't look down on anybody in your life, your friends, your family. There are people that can help you achieve some of the things that you're asking for. Or they might have friends that can help you. So you need to itemize those people and try to reach out to them one after the other so that you can get some answers to some of these questions that you need to answer. So just look out for those kinds of people, write them down, and then reach out to them. The last question is, what basic tools or tools do I need to get started with? Some people are not sure of what to invest in. They don't want to go overboard and buy the things that they don't really need. For starters, you need to know the basic tools. Okay, if I'm sewing, I need the sewing machine. If I'm drafting, I need, drafting tools, or I'm illustrating. You need, those basic tools to get started, but not things that you don't need currently. Okay, ask yourselves these questions and you'll be fine. So these are the questions that you should ask yourself when you're starting out as a fashion designer. Once you have them, you are okay, and then you can go and proceed to doing other things that you want to do. Okay, so let's go right into the course.